We have cross offer. When two parties exchange identical offers in ignorance at the time of each other's offer, the offers are called cross offers. Alankar wanted to buy my phone, and I also wanted to sell my phone to Alankar. And we both sent messages at the same time. Correct? Right? That is a crossover. There is no binding contract in such a case because an offer made by a person cannot be construed as an acceptance of the other's offer. Because an offer is an offer, beta. Offer is not a acceptance. So if an offer is the answer for another's offer, it is not called accepting the offer. It is canceling the offer. There is no binding contract. Example, if A makes a proposal to B to sell his car for 2 lakhs and B, without knowing the proposal of A, makes an offer to purchase the same car at 2 lakhs from A, it is not an acceptance. And when two people make an offer to each other, it cannot be treated as mutual acceptance. There is no binding contract in such a case. Got it? Any doubts? Do you have any doubts on this? Any questions? Don't you think this happens in real life?
Yes, many times.
What do? We smile and accept that shit, no?
Yeah,
Right?
yeah.
We smile and accept the shit, we change that thing. But what is he saying this? Day, it's okay when you both are okay, what is the problem? You did not have an intention to create a legal relationship here, no? Then there is no case only. Had you had an intention to create a legal relationship, then you would again offer, get it signed by acceptance in papers, and then you would go on to exchange that. But here, we don't need, because we don't have an intention to create legal relationship. Here we come. In reality, we continue, right? But if this was a business offer, do you think just because we both want to do business without papers and terms, we'll start the business? No, right? If I'm investing 100 crores, won't I get papers? 100 crores to मेरे पास नहीं है, bro. If I got 1 lakh also, I would get it paperwork now, bro. Right? If I give you 1 lakh, don't you think I'll get it paperwork? Or 1 lakh is very less amount. 10 lakhs or 15 lakhs, right? Some mortgage, some paperwork, right? Definitely yes, right?
Yes.
Lovely. And loans and all that stuff. Why paperwork? Because that is contractual relationship. Got it? Okay. And then we have counter offer exempts. When an offeree offers a qualified acceptance of the offer subject to modifications and variations in terms of the original offer, he is said to have made a counter offer. In Telugu, there's a saying, counterly yadre. You know what does that mean? So if you don't know counters,
Yeah,
while we are talking,
we know.
you know, Harish, I know.
Yeah, I know.
Alanka, you know what is termed as counter?
No.
Sarcastic, you tell something fatafat back, no?
Okay.
That is a counter. Right? If you tried a joke and I tried a reverse joke on you, that is a counter. Right? So if this guy is saying, I offered you something, you're canceling that and you're offering me new thing. Right? That counter offer is not accepted. Okay? He just said, what is a counter offer? When an offeree offers, offeree is the person who's being offered the proposal, no? So offeree is accepting, but with some conditions. They acceptance the conditions you can have, offer the conditions you can have. But acceptance shouldn't be conditional. If yes, no. Yes, but is new offer, no. Counter offer amounts to rejection of the original offer. It is also called as conditional acceptance. Counter offer, what will happen to counter offer? It will, when a counter offer has been proposed, the original offer is accepted. So after you are counter offering, and then you say, okay, go chill, now we'll make on the old thing only, then the first offer is not there. Again, he has to offer you. Got it? Yeah. A offers to sell his plot B for 10 lakhs. B agrees to buy it for 8 lakhs. It amounts to a counter offer. It may result in the termination of the offer A. if after on B agrees to buy the plot for 10 lakhs, A may refuse. That means A still has a right to refuse now because that offer is cancelled. It's
Now
all
he
about
is
knowing
offering
what we can do or what we cannot do, right? So this thing, if later on B agrees to buy the plot for 10 lakhs, A may refuse means now A can come back. A has the option to not accept this thing.
Yeah, because now it is B offering A.
Yeah. Yeah. Someone was talking in the middle. I did not get it.
Yeah, even my it
Okay.
was me.